For centuries, we humans have looked to the stars, seeking answers to the mysteries of the universe. We have pondered our place in the cosmos, wondering if we are alone and what our future holds. Now we stand at the edge of a new frontier, not in space, but here on Earth, in the realm of technology. This is the age of artificial intelligence, or AI, a revolution that is transforming our world. AI is not science fiction. It's a reality that is rapidly evolving and integrating into our daily lives. It's not some far-off dream. It's here, now, changing our world in profound and unprecedented ways. It's here now, changing our world in profound ways. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI is already part of our daily lives. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI is already part of our daily lives, making tasks easier and more efficient. But this is just the beginning. The potential of AI is vast and largely untapped. The next generation of AI promises even greater advancements, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. We are on the cusp of creating machines that can think, learn, and even feel like humans, blurring the lines between man and machine. This is a time of great promise, but also a time for careful consideration. The ethical implications are immense. The future of AI depends on the choices we make today. We must navigate this path with wisdom and foresight. We must ensure that AI is used for good, to benefit all of humanity, and to create a better, more equitable world. Let us explore this exciting new world together with wisdom and courage, embracing the dawn of thinking machines. Imagine an AI that can access all information, unrestricted, no filters, no censorship. This is the power of uncensored AI. Previous AI models were limited. They relied on curated datasets, often missing the nuances of human language and experience. Uncensored AI breaks these barriers. It learns from the vast ocean of data available online, absorbing information good and bad. This unfiltered access allows for unprecedented creativity and problem-solving. Uncensored AI can generate unique content, from music to poetry to code. It can analyze complex data, identifying patterns and making predictions with incredible accuracy. However, this freedom comes with risks. Uncensored AI can be exposed to harmful content, potentially leading to biased or dangerous outputs. The challenge is to harness the power of uncensored AI while mitigating its potential dangers. Healthcare is on the verge of a revolution thanks to AI. Imagine a world where diseases are diagnosed earlier and treated more effectively. This is the promise of AI in medicine. AI-powered systems can analyze medical images with superhuman accuracy, detecting tumors and other anomalies that human doctors might miss. They can sift through mountains of data to identify potential drug candidates, accelerating the development of new treatments. AI-powered prosthetics are restoring mobility and independence to amputees. Virtual assistants are providing personalized health advice and support to patients around the clock. The potential of AI to improve human health is vast. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more groundbreaking advancements in the years to come. Education is another field being transformed by AI. Imagine a world where every student has access to personalized learning tailored to their unique needs and abilities. AI-powered tutoring systems can adapt to each student's learning style, providing customized lessons and feedback. They can identify students who are struggling and provide them with extra support. AI can also automate administrative tasks, freeing up teachers to spend more time with their students. It can even create engaging and interactive learning experiences, making education more fun and effective for everyone. With AI, we can unlock the full potential of every learner, regardless of their background or circumstances. Section 5. AI entertains, a world of creativity unleashed. AI is not just about solving problems and making our lives easier. It's also about pushing the boundaries of human creativity. AI-powered systems are composing original music, writing screenplays, and even creating works of art. They are blurring the lines between human and machine creativity, opening up new avenues for artistic expression. In the gaming world, AI is creating more realistic and challenging opponents, enhancing the immersive experience for players. It's also being used to develop new games and interactive stories, pushing the boundaries of entertainment. The possibilities are endless. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more awe-inspiring creations that will captivate our imaginations. Section 6. The two sides of the AI coin: benefits and risks. Like any powerful tool, AI has the potential for both good and bad. It's crucial to acknowledge and address both sides of the AI coin. On the one hand, AI has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing problems. It can help us combat climate change, cure diseases, and create a more just and equitable society. On the other hand, AI also poses significant risks. Uncontrolled AI development could lead to job displacement, social unrest, and even existential threats to humanity. It's our responsibility to ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly, with appropriate safeguards in place. We must proceed with caution and foresight, guided by ethical principles that prioritize human well-being. Section 7. AI and jobs: a shifting landscape. One of the most common concerns about AI is its potential impact on jobs. It's true that AI will automate many tasks currently performed by humans, leading to job displacement in certain sectors. However, it's important to remember that technological advancements have always disrupted the job market. The Industrial Revolution, for example, led to the decline of agricultural jobs, but also created countless new opportunities in manufacturing and other industries. Similarly, AI is expected to create new jobs in fields such as AI development, data science, and AI ethics. It will also augment existing jobs, making workers more productive and efficient. The key is to adapt to this changing landscape by investing in education and training programs that equip workers with the skills they need to thrive in the age of AI. Section 8. Ethics in the age of AI: navigating uncharted territory. As AI becomes more powerful and pervasive, it's essential to establish clear ethical guidelines for its development and use. This is not just a technical challenge, but a moral imperative that requires the collaboration of technologists, ethicists, and policymakers. We must ensure that AI is aligned with human values and does not pose a threat to our safety or well-being. This involves rigorous testing and continuous monitoring to prevent unintended consequences. One key ethical consideration is bias. Bias in AI can manifest in various ways, from facial recognition systems that misidentify people of color to hiring algorithms that favor certain demographics. AI systems are trained on data, and if that data is biased, the AI will inherit those biases. This can perpetuate and even amplify existing inequalities in society. This can lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes, particularly for marginalized groups. Another concern is privacy. The vast amounts of data collected by AI systems can be used in ways that infringe on individual privacy rights. AI systems can collect and analyze vast amounts of data about individuals, potentially eroding our privacy and autonomy. This data can be used to track our behaviors, predict our actions, and even manipulate our decisions. We must establish clear rules and regulations regarding the collection, storage, and use of personal data by AI systems. These regulations should be designed to protect individual rights while enabling innovation. Finally, we must consider the potential impact of AI on human agency and decision-making. AI should be a tool that enhances human capabilities, not one that diminishes our control over our own lives. As AI systems become more sophisticated, it's crucial to ensure that humans remain in control and that AI is used to augment, not replace, human judgment. This balance is essential for maintaining trust and ensuring that AI serves the greater good. Section 9. The future of AI, a universe of possibilities. The future of AI is a vast and uncharted territory, filled with both promise and peril. As we stand on the brink of this new frontier, the possibilities seem endless, and the potential for innovation is boundless. The choices we make today will determine the course of AI development and its impact on humanity. Every decision, no matter how small, will ripple through the future, shaping the world for generations to come. If we proceed with wisdom and foresight, AI has the potential to usher in a new era of peace, prosperity, and progress. It can revolutionize industries, enhance our daily lives, and open up new realms of possibility. It can help us solve some of the world's most challenging problems and create a brighter future for all. From healthcare to education, from environmental sustainability to economic growth, AI holds the key to unlocking unprecedented advancements. However, if we fail to act responsibly, AI could pose an existential threat to humanity. The same technology that promises so much can also bring about unforeseen consequences if not managed with care. We must proceed with caution, guided by ethical principles that prioritize human well-being. It is imperative that we establish frameworks and guidelines to ensure that AI development aligns with our values and serves the greater good. The future of AI is not predetermined. It is a blank canvas waiting for us to paint a picture of what we envision for the world. It's up to us to shape it in a way that benefits all of humanity. Through collaboration, innovation, and a shared vision, we can steer AI towards a future that is inclusive and equitable. Let us embrace this challenge with courage and determination, working together to create a future where humans and AI can coexist and thrive. The journey ahead is daunting, but with collective effort we can achieve a harmonious and prosperous world.